god, that's loud. If you've never seen this kind of box before, you should know what's inside. It's a big ol' 4-inch exhaust. So today we're gonna get this unit installed. So I'm gonna start cutting everything off the truck, then we'll unbox this. Okay, well, fun fact, there's a resonator here that is like in the downpipe. I never knew that. More you know. Okay, so now I gotta get the old V-band off the downpipe here. So just that bolt on there, and then basically feed the whole thing down. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Probably gonna have to cut the downpipe more too, but undo that for now and we'll see where we get. Got the downpipe out. That was a pain in the ass. I didn't have to make any more cuts. I was about to cut it more, like right there, to try and help it out. The flange itself right there definitely got caught on the firewall a lot, like all the heat shield shit. I literally was under there for 15 or so minutes fiddling it because it was hitting along the back there. You can see where I like dragged up some of it. It was hitting against my EGR delete pipe there, the nut pipe. So yeah, that was a fun time and a half. Hopefully the new one's not as bad getting in, but we'll see. So got that out. The V-band was a bit stubborn. I was able to loosen it off, pull the T-clamp out here. So maybe this one hand, pulled this out. Holy shit, right there. And was able to pull this side off, but this side was stuck. So I pretty much, like, there's a tab on here, this guy. I pretty much like was prying this up, and when I pried it up, it like unsealed the rest of it and like kind of popped it off the turbo, and this came loose. So I got lucky with that. I probably could have sprayed more penetrating fluid and got it to come off. The one side came off easy because that's the side it dripped down from the bolt that I sprayed. But yeah, we should be good to start unboxing this and put the new shit on. That's a lot bigger. Look at that. It's literally my hand size. Here's your comparison. There. You can see it's quite a bit more open. Okay, well, there's all the pieces. So, got your over axle, downpipe right there, goes to the turbo and halfway down, and then this guy meets the bottom of the downpipe and continues along, and then straight section for the crew cab long box, I believe. And yeah, over axle. These guys make some solid kits. You can see the welds are like curved along it so they don't tear out. I know I've built a few exhausts that have just torn out. So this is good. It's gonna be some good shit. I guess first up, this is the downpipe. To put the downpipe in, I'm pretty sure you have to do it from the bottom. I don't think there's a way to do it from the top, so basically gonna get under the truck and try fishing that up into the engine bay. Okay, I just fed it up from the bottom. That's literally how close I got it, so that was way easier than taking out the fucking old one. Okay, well, I guess I just gotta get the V-band on her and get this tightened, and then after school I'll finish the rest of it. Oh fuck no, she's cold. She don't need it. Not right off the bat. Oh fuck, the exhaust is right there. I was like looking for it and then my hand was almost in it. Okay, so I got the downpipe attached. That was a bitch and a half. There's not much clearance, I'll show you. Just at the back of the transfer case with this long fucking unit here. So I'm just gonna slide this guy on. I'm gonna need both hands though. Okay, got that slid on. It's all the way back there. Peel the fucking sticker off, I guess. But yeah, I'll show you the clearance to the downpipe. So here you can see pretty close right there to the lines, as well as that. And then that's gonna be the fun part. So I'm probably gonna have to hammer this in or some shit. Yeah, hopefully she don't rattle too bad. I hope. Okay, so fun fact. If you have the crew cab long box, or probably anything more than a extended cab normal box, you have to use that extension piece right there, this guy here. And well, they give you clamps for all but where this one attaches to one, so I gotta weld that together, so I'm gonna do that. I feel like I could probably use like one of the hanger clamps, but I'd rather weld it, make it sealed nice. This doesn't need to be detachable right here, it's literally just an extension, so I'm okay with that. So I'm going to get this welded right there on this joint, and then throw this back in the truck, and it's almost there. I have the tailpipe in there, you can't really see it, but that's gonna get attached to this, and then I'll slide together, and then make sure the front doesn't fucking rattle and the tailpipe doesn't rattle, and we'll call her good. Okay, so that's cool. It didn't record when I welded, but welded the extension piece. I can't spin this, there we go. Welded this on, it's good enough. There's no holes, looks good. So now put this back in the truck and start tightening everything down, I guess, once it's in. Fucking fire her up. Let's see what she sounds like. That was a lot of smoke. No leaks. As you can see, pretty fucking close. If it rattles, I will hammer that out. It looks like it's touching the heat shield. god, that's loud. Okay, so that's ear piercing. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Cracked out or broken?